Totdat die woord plek gaan vat. En begin groei. So I'm just praying to God that some of us will take that word and run with it, man. Come the end of the year, then as we spoke yesterday, we'll have that thing that we will tick off to say, yes, I've asked and I've achieved. Because Miles Monroe said it. Rybat is the rijkste plek, and I've said it over and over and over again. Klink soos 'n startbel. Broken record. En hy kom past en past sê dieselfde ding. Different way, but exactly the same thing. So kom ons groei, man. Kom ons groei. If there's nothing else that we do, for the students that's leaving, are you leaving today? Yes. Finishing off today? Yes. For the students that's finishing off, when you leave Ladies of Hope, please take the good. Remember I spoke to you guys. Take the good that you've learned. Let every word that came out of here, let it play fight and grow from here. If there's anything that we've given unto you, let it be God. Not home escape training. Let it be God that we've given unto you. And everything else will fall into place. Say, seek ye first the kingdom of God, His righteousness, and all these things. So what we've given unto you, let it be God.